until we wait for a decision from the Senate regarding the TRO. If the TRO comes down and let's say it is rejected, this in essence lessens Senator Bato's argument not to be arrested.
Definitely. And siguro last words, no, na let us all remember that Bato's problem is his problem alone. The Senate has no authority to obstruct a validly issued warrant of arrest. Let us not veer away from the real issue. Ang issue dapat natuunan na ngayon ng pansin ng Senado ay the fact na na-transmit na sa kanila ng mababang kapulungan ang articles of impeachment kagabi before the shooting incident. So they have the constitutional duty to convene now as an impeachment court. Bato has all the resources, lawyers, to protect himself or to defend himself. Ang mga senador natin, yung ilang mga senador natin, dapat maalala nila na ang kanilang tungkulin ay para sa mga kababayan nating Pilipino at hindi lamang kay Bato.